Okay, so hello everyone, welcome to the third episode of Designing CRED Investment Tracking App. So in the last episode, we discussed about, we did the business requirement analysis, and I will show you where we left off. And in this session, we will do competitive analysis and the further steps. What is pending, we will check. So let me just open my screen. Okay, someone just came and vanished. Okay, so I'll just quickly share my screen and we can directly start. So now we are going to, in the last episode did we complete everything? So what we have covered so far is we have done companies' major goals, vision for financial services, strategic role of investment tracking, all those things that in the business context we have covered. The user context we have also covered. And if you notice that ChatGPT is, I mean, from his side or its side, it is giving me what from the checklist we have covered so far and what are the things that are next. So now we are officially ready for the next major deliverable, which is empathy maps. No, not empathy maps. See, now ChatGPT was jumping into empathy maps, but I like ask ChatGPT, what about competitive landscape? Now it is giving me good catch. You are right. Competitive landscape is partially done, not fully explored yet. So what I am trying to say here is ChatGPT will, I mean, in the middle or some way, somehow will jump or miss few of the things. So you are the person who should be in control of what are the things that you have to do and how the conversation should go. So if you directly or over dependent on ChatGPT, then you will miss out a lot of things. So you have to play along. You have to you have to clear about what are the things that you need to know. Only then jump into this one. If ChatGPT misses something, then you interrupt in the conversation. You say, okay, this is what about this. Then ChatGPT will try to like rectify that, just like how it did here. So now it is saying, okay, what we already did is we identified main competitors like INDmoney, TickerTape, and all those people, apps. But what is missing for a full competitive analysis is feature by feature comparison. That is the main thing. Why we do competitive analysis for, especially in the context of UX design. Correct. We haven't compared what are the competitors having different features, and if we are launching like a new product, then it has to have some USP. It has to have some different advantages that the competitors are not fulfilling right now. So that will be your role as a UX designer, that you have to find out all those things from the competitor analysis. You will have to do SWOT analysis to check what are the strengths of the competitors, what are the strengths or weaknesses of the competitors, and strategically you have to play your move. So feature by feature is missing, UX UI style comparison is missing, opportunity areas is also missing. I mean, opportunities areas we have to figure out, like gaps left by competitors that CRED can attack, then unique experiences CRED can offer. These two things that we have to look for from the competitor analysis. Now it gave me some suggestions, asked me, okay, can you provide me some screenshot? Then I said, okay, yes, I can also provide you some screenshot of the UI. And it gave me, okay, competitive analysis plan. You upload some screenshot of INDmoney, TickerTape, and Zerodha and all. I will help you analyze them structured way. We create a feature by feature comparison table. Then we summarize UX observation, good, bad patterns. Then we list clear opportunity areas for CRED. So then it asked me what are the things that it need. So now I will do what I will post or upload some images I have already named. Okay, you cannot see it. Let me reshare it. How the I have named the mm, named files. See, now I have named the files in terms of what app it is and also what page it is. Now I will upload one page at a time so that ChatGPT doesn't get overwhelmed, or the data does not like uh, interrupts, or whatever you understand. मतलब घुल मिल ना जाए. Okay, I'm not finding a good word. Okay, now coming to, so I am attaching some INDmoney screenshots. Uh, I have also, it should be a full stop. I have also named the file's name as per the respective page names. After this, I am going to upload other files, other apps, screenshots. Once I upload all the screenshots, then we can start. Okay, I think there are some grammatical mistakes, but ChatGPT is smart enough to understand that. Once I upload all the screenshots, then we can start. Now what ChatGPT will say here is, we already have this. I don't think is this. I want to check. Okay, is this really INDmoney? This is fine. Okay, now cancel it. Now let's upload it. I see you have uploaded these screenshot. INDmoney explore new mutual funds page, INDmoney home page, grid view, INDmoney list page, list view, INDmoney mutual fund portfolio view. Okay, and I didn't want to list view, but okay. Okay, no issue. Now let's upload TickerTape portfolio page. TickerTape 1, 2, and 3. So this is TickerTape page. This is TickerTape screenshots. Now you don't have to repeat the same instruction again. Now ChatGPT understands. Okay, now I'm going to upload some other apps, TikToks. If you check, I see you have uploaded TickerTape portfolio dashboard, TickerTape holdings distribution by sectors, TickerTape gold investment details page. How would you like me to help with this analysis? Let's upload few other screenshots. Uh, Smallcase, okay, in the menu portfolio page, Smallcase. Okay, let's now upload Smallcase pages. Smallcase, Smallcase. Okay, so I think I have missed my upload file attach limit in the free version, so that's why it is not showing me or letting me to upload any other files. Maybe the limit is 10 in one day. Okay, anyways, we have uploaded our majority of things. Let's upload. This is small case, small case, right? What is the name? Small case is the name. Small case. Okay, so this is small case investment score page. Got it. You have upload another small can investment page. To clarify, what would you like to do next? So I would want to check. Let's what we have suggested. What let's see the plan here. Step one, you upload all the screen. Create feature by feature analysis. Let's analyze. Okay, what would you like to compare the UX, redesign one, or create a new concept on both? Identify improvements here. Now compare their UX. Let's compare first. Compare by feature. I'll just simply put it as open-ended. Let's compare first. Let's see how ChatGPT is comparing. Perfect. Let's compare TickerTape small case based on images you uploaded. I will break it down into key UX UI aspects. First is purpose and primary metric. Aspect primary focus. Okay, it is not giving. Why it is only doing small case comparison? Perfect small case. Let's compare on these images you upload. I will break it down. See now it forgot the INDmoney one. What about INDmoney? Let's ask. What about INDmoney? Okay, so purpose and primary metric aspect primary users portfolio sector assets small case investment score and improvement. No. Didn't help. Actionable insights minimal moderate auto suggestion buy stocks buy US stocks surplus cash. Okay, modern light. Summary TickerTape analyze portfolio deeply suitable for detail-oriented investors. Small case gamify your investing habits suitable for casual to intermediate investors. Then INDmoney manage full financial life suitable for holistic wealth tracking in intermediate to advanced users. Now, in short, INDmoney feels more like a personal finance manager. TickerTape feels like a portfolio analyzer. Small case feels like a behavioral investment coach. Okay, would you like me? Okay, let's do analyze one by one first. Let's analyze one app at a time. At a time. Start with INDmoney. Analyze all the screens and tell me what you noticed. Okay, let's check. I am not fully satisfied with the comparison. That's why I am again doing something. So, see, ChatGPT will provide some some high level information that may not be that much helpful for you. So you have to intervene, you have to tell ChatGPT, okay, no, this is what I want. Until you get that, you have to do prompt engineering on this, some modify a little bit of prompt, modify the communication style. Perfect. Let's dive deep into INDmoney. Thanks for your patience. You haven't uploaded IND screens yet, but I will assume you are asking general. No, you haven't uploaded. Okay. What it is doing? All right. Not good. Okay, let's change this one first for reasoning. 4O. The model doesn't support file attachments. Okay, for mini 4O. Let's do again with 4O. I want to start from there. How would you like to help me with analyze, redesign, suggestion, UX feedback? Let's analyze. Great. Okay. So homepage grid view strengths visually clean, uses cards to separate information clearly, good use of icons and minimal text for quick scanning. Okay. Add buttons, quick actions are visible, accessible. Grid view. Okay. Add button, quick button, easily accessible. Areas to improve. Okay. What are the strengths? Is visually clean, uses cards to separate information clearly, good use of icons, minimal text for quick scanning, add buttons and quick actions for are visible, accessible. Areas to improve. If users have many investment, the grid might feel cluttered or overwhelming. Important portfolio metrics could get lost if all cards have similar visual height. Okay, limited ability to compare items quickly across different cards. Okay, easier. Okay, strengths, easier to compare key information across assets side by side. Compact, users can view more items in a single scroll. Prioritize performance indicators, returns, values, and all. Areas improve is the list looks slightly dense. White space between rows could help. Okay, minor if the target audience. This explore new page, good discovery driven layout, clear filters and sorting options. Fun details are shown smartly without overwhelming the users. Encourage exploration without feeling pushy. Areas to improve could highlight why a mutual fund is recommended, top rated, low risk, high growth kind of thing. Now, this is a very good point that we can look in our product or our design. Slightly repetitive. If all cards look identical initially, users might miss differentiation unless they are read carefully. Then coming to mutual fund portfolio dashboard. Dashboard structure is strong, clear snapshot of portfolio performance, progress indicators like returns, allocation, growth seem intuitively placed, good balance between overview and deeper insights. Areas to improve, the charts could be even more interactive, hover to see insights or drill down options, not hover effect. Okay. If users have a larger portfolio, grouping sorting by fund category, risk level could be a helpful addition. Emotional reinforcement, you are beating inflation. Okay. Could increase user satisfaction. Overall UX observation is very useful, friendly for beginner to intermediate investors. Visual hierarchy is most clear, but sometimes repetitive layouts reduce scanning efficiency. Mobile first thinking is evident, good spacing and tab friendly elements could push personalization a little more, smart insights, small nudges, achievements, you have saved X percentage of tax. Would you like now suggest specific improvements, redesign structure for one or more of these screens? No, no, not right now. Do you have TickerTape screenshots? Okay, so I haven't purchased it yet, and I don't want to purchase the fully one because I don't want to use the this version on in the plus one, and a lot of I mean the viewers will not be having the plus one. So I want to focus on how we can, I mean the agenda was to how we can do with the what we can achieve in the ChatGPT's free version. So that's why I'm avoiding the plus subscription, but I think I have to do it in some way. But anyways, let's go with this for now. Where is it? Okay. Okay, with all this, what ChatGPT gave is stored visual hierarchy. Let's continue with this one. Here it had all the context. So continue with this one. For the analyze, we will do manually a little bit. TickerTape analyze portfolio deeply. Small case manage full finance. It has the context. I was expecting a little bit of more enhanced thing. Okay. Okay. Let's read this one. Let's analyze one app at a time. Start with INDmoney. Perfect. Let's dive into. You haven't uploaded INDmoney screenshot yet, but I will assume you are asking for general UX. Shows net worth on top, very clear. Landing a home page, calls out investment surplus, get term insurance. Where it said term insurance? Here, okay. Start with SIP. Didn't say. I understand where it is getting that information. Okay, high level UX, portfolio breakdown, stocks, bonds, mutual funds, cryptos, visualize, clickable, goal tracking, kids education. Okay, I think ChatGPT already is trained on few things of INDmoney. From that context, it is giving color theme, clean, light mode. Things are really noticed. So what should we do? I think we should recharge it, but if you are facing, you can easily do it without the pro version, without the plus version. You just have to wait for a few hours whenever you, I mean all the pro features like the 4 we are doing this conversation, or okay, one more disclaimer. This type of method will only work with the 4.0 model, ChatGPT's 4.0 model. So it, I mean, I have tried with different models. It doesn't work that well as compared to the 4.0. So, so 4.0 is available in free, but it provides some limited interactions or limited conversations. Similarly, in the free version as well, the same efficiency you will get, but limited interaction or limited file uploads you will get. But if you want to analyze it, or if you want to use it for free, then in most likely scenarios you don't have that much of time. So you can upgrade it if you have, you know, more conversation like that, but as per your uh, preference. Okay, so I have done the subscription. Show me. Okay, let me just show you what are the features once we go into this one. So introducing new improved memory. Okay, so let me check what other things they have described me in all our chats. Make it catchy. All right, set me up. You are okay. It is giving me my. I shouldn't show it in a live session. Okay, so what it has is, it has, okay, GPT-4 research preview, different models it is providing, and it is also providing me Sora. I have a project view is also one of the things we can use it. In the next we will use that one as well. What else? What I have paid, then it gave me some other way which is failed. Okay, but why it is not letting me attach? Let me help. It will not help me that much. Okay, we are wasting our time. Let's do this. Let's do one thing. Let's go to this one, and here also I cannot upload attachments. This is a bug. I think we will waste our time if I try to compare it, but let's do it again with this one. Yeah. So far you have screenshots for INDmoney. Ah, now it is taking. I think it is the money issue. ChatGPT is also very smart on these things. This is more than enough for a strong competitive analysis. Great job gathering real world data. This will make your app 10x sharper. Okay. Now next steps, competitive landscape. Now we will create feature by feature comparison table, then UX observations, good bad practices, opportunity areas, investments, groups. Okay. So this is what it is, but I also want to take a screenshot or upload a screenshot of another thing, which is desktop. No, downloads, create portfolio, mm, TickerTape, not TickerTape, Zerodha portfolio. Let's see if it can do it. No, it is not letting me. Okay, anyways. Uh, so before we proceed, please confirm, are you done uploading all screenshot? You want this for this round? Yes. Yes, let's go next. Let's proceed. Let's go full speed now. Okay, based on your screenshot and what we know, here is a full competitive analysis. Now it is giving me feature by feature comparison table. Now feature unified investment tracking, INDmoney, mutual fund, stocks, US stocks, gold, bonds, all those things. Then ticker tap, stocks, mutual funds, gold. Only small case portfolios. Okay, small case, only small cases and portfolios. And mutual funds also it provides. Then it also is giving me this cover everything offline assets too. Okay, the opportunity is the offline assets also can be we CRED has the opportunity to cover, but we will see if we do want to cover it or not. Then portfolio. This is about the unified investment tracking. Now coming to portfolio insights. In the portfolio insights, INDmoney has basic returns, gain, losses. Okay, then basic return sectorial allocation, correct, sectorial allocation and other things as well, investment score plus tips. Okay, then what thing is create deep AI driven personalized insights. This is also we will see. Tax optimization tools, basic capital gain summary, cross. Okay, tax optimization tools, neither okay, this provides capital gain summary. This is a good point of from INDmoney. Ticker tab doesn't provide, Smallcase doesn't provide. For CRED opportunity, tax projection, harvesting alerts, that we can provide. Risk asset allocation, tax optimization. Okay, risk asset allocation, limited asset allocation pie chart, sector breakdown, good. only via investment score tips. Full asset allocation, risk profiling we can provide. Scenario simulation, it doesn't provide, nobody provides. What if market crash simulation? Just like how ChatGPT, sorry, CRED provide the CIBIL score, right? It gave us different type of our action on loan or any, if we take any action, then it also provides how it impacts on our CIBIL score. So something similar to that we can provide to in this scenario. So this is a very good thing we can look for in our design. Now coming to mutual fund SIP integration, directly it provides, which is a very good thing. Then in small cases it doesn't provide. Then also in TickerTape also it doesn't provide. So here easy SIP starts one click upsell. Like just like how INDmoney does, we can also provide that thing. Gamification and engagement it doesn't provide, so it doesn't provide here, it doesn't provide here. In small cases, investment score comparison with one USP how it provides. Okay, now gamify financial growth will stretch milestones. We will also include all those things. UI design quality, crowded, cluttered. See, even after providing the INDmoney, crowded, cluttered, then for TickerTape, it gives rating of cleaner but many distractions. Then for small case, good but still busy. I only provided one, but that's okay. Minimal premium and calm feel. See, minimal premium calm feel means we cannot over saturate or overburden the UI with a lot of features and information. Customizable dashboard not available in anywhere. So customizable widgets pro mode is one thing we can provide. This is a good thing we can add. UX UI observations from screenshots is good practices to learn from. INDmoney. INDmoney shows quick asset categories. Good. Bad practices to avoid. INDmoney layout feels crowded and transactional. TickerTape sector breakdown is visual and neat. TickerTape pushes too much market news upfront because it's a information tool, right? For analyze to check out from or compare from different stocks and mutual funds, not mutual funds, only stocks. So it's a different product. Small case investment score is a good engagement. Small case investment score is a good engagement nudge. Small case layout becomes gamified at the cost of simplicity. It is a good UX thing that we noticed. Clean, bold typography in some sections. No single overall net worth view in one clear screen. In which it doesn't give me the idea. Tabs, filters are intuitive in some places, inconsistent iconography and visual clutter. Now it is also giving me opportunity areas for CRED investment tracker. What are now a detailed comparison of all those things? What are the things that we can check? Now this is going to be our useful section. Now your job when you're using ChatGPT, you have to go through everything that ChatGPT provides until you are satisfied with the response. Don't move forward. Otherwise, the whole conversation will be bad, and you will miss out the important things. One glance portfolio health, single screen, overall net worth, equity, debt, gold split, tax preview. Okay, we will see that. Premium minimal UI, premium minimal UI, calm design, fewer colors, more white space, focus on key numbers only. Avoid heavy ad banners, distractions. Okay, premium minimal UI is one thing. Deeper insights, not just numbers. Smart prompts like shift 10,000 to depth to reduce risk by 5%. Harvest 33,500 tax losses before March 31st. So these things we can provide. Gamification done right. Milestone based examples, you reviewed portfolio 4 weeks in a row, great disciplines. Okay, gamification done right. Okay, milestone based, you reviewed portfolio 4 weeks in a row, great discipline. Just like how CRED does in a lot of things, it provides this type of nudges. We can also look for these things in the design session. Achievement badges without being childish. Okay, achievement badges just like the Sibyl score. Real asset tracking, allow manual addition of offline assets, property, gold, jewelry, bonds manually. Okay. Display true diversified portfolio view. Pro mode unlock. Keep default simple. Then a very good idea of pro users. We had different type of users, right? We can provide in a default view very simple, very minimalistic mode. Then in the pro mode, we can push more features. And that also we can gamify it. In the pro mode, we can do different kind of things, just like invest that much or some kind of things to unlock your pro mode. Just like CRED has already in different sectors. For that much coin, you can unlock the pro mode, and this can be another useful thing for people to use their CRED money or CRED coin. Keep default simple. Advanced users can unlock sharp ratio, beta, VAR, etc. etc. Trust, privacy, and classy microcopy. Tone sophisticated, trustworthy, empowering, not just fun. Quick summary, feature but not cluttered. 1 second. Okay, now coming back to our point is quick summary, INDmoney feature-rich but cluttered, TickerTape cleaner but too news-heavy, Smallcase good gamification but lacks real investment tracking. CRED opportunity, combine automation, premium minimalism, and smart coaching. Think Apple design, Google finance brain, Netflix engagement. Wow. Competitive landscape complete, and these information, right, these copies will help you when you write your case study. So this is very good. We can look for when you come. One more thing, when we will complete all the steps, all the design, I will also create live the how I will design this case study, and we will see how a case study is also written. Would you like me to now quickly summarize final opportunity mapping for CRED? Yes, please. Awesome. Here's a crisp professional opportunity mapping for CRED investment app ready to unplug into your documentation. Okay, did it hear me? Okay, opportunity mapping for credit investment tracker area, unified tracking, problem in competitors, data spread across categories but inconsistent coverage, INDmoney misses some assets, TickerTape limited to stocks and mutual funds, opportunity provide full spectrum of tracking, mutual fund, cryptos, real estate, bonds, gold, etc. etc. Portfolio insights, basic returns and gains losses shown, deeper financial coaching, everyone. Okay. Offer simple but powerful insights, rebalancing tips and goal tracking. Health can be opportunity for CRED. Tax optimization, little to no proactive tax saving help. INDmoney barely scratches it. INDmoney actually provides a little bit of tax information, but doesn't provide information on tax harvesting. Integrate tax loss harvesting, advanced capital gains tax estimation, actionable tax alerts, risk management, and scenario analysis. So, for people, what is tax harvesting is, let's say you have two mutual funds or you have mutual funds. Now, in the mutual funds, when the market crashes, you see, let's say 10% loss in your one of the fund. Then what you can do here is you can sell the mutual fund that day and book that loss. Let's say 2000 rupees you have booked that loss, when the and you have to buy the mutual fund the next day. So what will happen here is, now we are saying that we have booked a loss of 2000. When you are now selling or buying in the same rate, when you increase that profit and that profit becomes 2000, your tax liability will be 2000 lesser, right? So that's how you can do tax harvesting. Okay. Or you can do also with the stocks. You can sell some of your loss making stocks and balance that profit into some of the like profit making stocks. That also you can do. Risk management and scenario analysis, missing risk profiling or what if simulation. Okay, risk management is scenario analysis, missing or risk profiling or what if market simulations, enable simple stress test. If Nifty drops 20%, your portfolio impacts this. Okay, gamification and engagement. Smallcase has gamification investment score, but other lack in consistent engagement. Introduce achievement milestones and review streaks non-intrusive financial nudges to build habits. User interface, crowded transactional UIs everywhere, ad-driven complex charts without clear focus. Deliver a minimal premium serene design language with one glance net view and growth highlights. Personalization and pro mode. One size fits all views, default simple view, optional pro mode to unlock deeper analytics for serious investors. So this basic mode and pro mode is I like this concept. So this we can provide very personalized experience for both the users. So if I am someone who wants basic, then I will have the default basic view, just want to know, okay, if my portfolio is doing well or not. But for the advanced user, like in our user persona, they want a little bit I mean, from intermediate to pro, we can target or nudge them or acquire them with the pro mode feature. Then trust and brand. Users distrust random new apps handling sensitive investment data. Leverage creates premium brand, existing user trust to promise privacy first, data secure. Okay, now summary statement. While current apps focus either on basic tracking or market discovery, CRED investment tracker can dominate by offering an automated, fully spectrum, beautifully minimal financial command center enhanced with actionable insights, privacy, and subtle gamification. What our opportunity in few keywords is actionable insights is one, privacy, then subtle gamification. What's next? We have now complete the user research, business research, and competitive research. You are now perfectly positioned to define phase, enter to define phase. So with this, our empathize phase is completed now. So in the empathize phase, what we do is we capture all the information from everywhere. It's a broader aspect, as we start with as if we don't know anything. Then once we gather all the information, we will go to the define phase. What we will do here is, now with all the features, all the information, everything will not be relevant for our scenario. So we will now define our use case. We will narrow it down to strategize our design phase. So this phase is in the double diamond process. If you see, if I click on double diamond process here, double diamond design process, if I open up this page, see, this is the problem. Now in the discover phase, we broad our like foresight to see or capture all the information. Right now, we are in this phase. Now our step in the narrow it down. explore or define phase. Then we will develop and test, and then deliver, listen. Those things we can do later. Now coming back to, okay, so let's check a quick recheck on this one. What you have completed. Gaps led by, okay, we have done everything, so I'm satisfied with what it is. But we will we can, you can always check on your own on offline to verify all those things. So I will pause it for now. I will take it a little break. In the fourth episode we will start the define phase. Okay, so don't forget to, or don't miss out the fourth phase and the entire thing. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe. I will bring these type of live UX design sessions or design concepts with different apps, and I will also explain the entire design process with the research part, with how I use AI and how I do interactions and all those things. Everything will be live, so do consider to subscribe if you want to learn more about all those things. So yeah, see you in the next episode.